Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-pH610B Bluetooth pH and temperature tester. The IC-pH610B is a Bluetooth enabled pH and temperature meter designed for everyday use. The meter seamlessly connects to the free Jenco Wand app. On this app you can easily take measurements, calibrate the unit and customize measurement settings. Features of the unit include the display of last calibration date, automatic temperature compensation, automatic buffer recognition, display of reading quality, auto shut-off, and the meter is IP67 rated water and dust proof. In the box there's a user manual, three sachets of pH calibration solution powder, there's pH 4.01, pH 7 and pH 10.01, two AAA batteries, and the Jenco IC-pH610B pH and temperature tester. Features of the tester include a sticker to remind you to rinse the meter before use. The battery compartment is located on the top. On the front is a Bluetooth LED indicator and a single power and pairing button. And lastly, under the lid are the temperature and pH sensors. For a video demonstration on how to set up and calibrate this unit, or for contact details to speak with an Instrument Choice scientist about this meter, see the links and contact details in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!